So ito lang kasi yun. Kasi to be honest, we're in the era wherein we call the sixth wave. Sixth wave is really more into the generation about AI. Very, very fast na problem solving, no? Using robotics in general. And that's why, if you notice, nagsusulputan yung mga chat GPT, Google Bard.
Ay, paggawa ng mga video, may mga AI na. Sobrang dami
Grabe,
na pwedeng
oo.
gawin ng AI.
Yes, yes. And as they launch AI in the market, nakita nila, uy, threat to sa trabaho ko. Kasi in innovation naman in general is really make our life easier, and that's the goal of innovation. And if you notice, there was from 2009 and up to 2025, there is a massive projected growth rate of AI investment all throughout in different sectors, in different industries in general. And that's how big AI in general what you're talking about. And to give you lang an illustration on how big AI in general, if we're not gonna adapt until today, is this is how big it is. That's how big AI in terms of mga sub-companies that investing in AI. And if you're gonna zoom it out, that's billions of dollars. So, meaning, if we are very slow to adapt, sabi nga natin, may natatakot ka nawawala ng trabaho dahil probably mga manpower because of AI. Di ba sa Japan, kailangan nila mag-improve ng skill kasi ang daming robot kahit nasa mga convenience store. So, even script writers, ChatGPT, mag-type ka lang, ang dami. That's how fast evolving is our generation. Nasa sixth wave kasi tayo, ladies and gentlemen.